How are you, Maria Canela?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
I'm Maria Canela de Alvaro, 43 years old. I have 2 kids. I am a single parent. I studied 2 years in college, Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, and 6 months of caregiving course.
Okay, so do you have any experience as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I work as a babysitter and domestic helper for 2 years for 4-year-old kid and the father of my employer. I did some babysitting, cleaning up the house, washing their clothes, preparing for their meals, and tutoring the child.
How old is the child?
4-year-old.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I wanted to work in Hong Kong so I can support the needs of my children and help my family with the house expenses.
Okay, what can you promise to your future employer?
Well, if you're going to hire me, I'll try my best to be efficient with my work and do everything so I won't fail you.
So what do you prefer, taking care of children, of a kid or a toddler or a baby?
Whatever, ma'am. Whatever age is preferable.
Okay, so can you sing a nursery rhyme?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Yeah, okay, Maria Canela, that's all for today and good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. See you in Hong Kong.